We got our 11th rain last night. It got the food forest all wet, standing in water. It's a cool morning, but the mountains look so pretty with the clouds so low. Really pretty. There's a blanket of clouds on the mountains. It's really beautiful. I put buckets and these buckets out to catch the rainwater because I like to give it to the plants and the dogs for their drinking water. I can't believe how much rain we had this year. Usually it's under 8 rains. Sometimes we even had about 3. But 11, that's crazy. But I'm sure glad it did. It brought my food forest alive, and it just went crazy. I loved it. And I'll show you the standing water out there. Today, when I let the wild bunch out, they'll be going out into a mud hole, and they'll probably like that. Maybe they can chase some bugs. On the ground here, all this green is chokeweed, and the chicken's been eating it up. And I left this pen to go in and let the chickens in there. So they're having a big time. I'll send the old girls out this direction and let them go after it. Right here, some goji berries. Well, come on. Yeah. Let's see. Right there. I'm gonna grab that one. Eat it. Yeah. It's pretty muddy out. So I'm going to fertilize the greenhouse and sunroom. The plants in there today. Go in here in the greenhouse, take a look, show you what I've been doing. This here is my last bucket of pomegranates. So I'm thinking I probably got 30 pounds of seed. I'll probably wait later on to make sure, but I know I did have 20 a while back. But I've really been trying hard to get all these done before they rot. I never did ever think about cleaning food in here in the greenhouse, but it's real handy to do it. Now to the driveway. That had water out early this morning, standing in water, but you know it's soaking it in. Now check out the horses. Bill had put his wading boots on so he could feed the horses, get them out of the water. This little hillside. Oh. Sandy. It's a good place to feed them where they can be in dryness. I don't have nothing, Annie. Yeah, she always thinks I got food. I wonder if she's going to walk in this water to get to me. Nope. I'll show my hand. I don't have nothing. Nothing. But, anyway, everybody's happy this morning. The sun's coming out. And some people might have seen this giant skeleton over there. And guess what? At night, it has eyes that blink. That's why I need my food forest anything sneaking over that fence, the skeleton would blink at it. But yeah, that's funny. So thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.